Yeah, live stream now. I will try live stream first time. Yeah, already start. A little bit rain start. Shaira, say hi. We're going to festival with Christian from Italy. Oh, start rain. Shaira, prepare umbrella. You forgot umbrella? Can start. It's rain, it's okay. Maybe rain stop soon, I don't know. Okay. Oh, big rain start, big. So big rain start. Yes, little bit late. We already bought ticket to the festival. Shaira, hold. I will put camera to the... Okay, thank you. I prepare camera, but if rain I cannot use it. What maybe?
Oh, hello, Leo.
Hi, Leon and Shaira. Hi. So many girls. Shaira, you show girls. Our subscriber like girls.
Oh, we have 11 viewers.
11 viewers now. Okay, thank you.
I wish it would stop already.
Yeah, soon
Because
start.
we bought already for this ticket.
Oh, from Canada this guy. Alan, name Alan.
Dancing, it's dancing. Stop rain already.
Yes, when stop rain.
Tiga ini.
What, from umbrella?
Kaya pagkakang mo ngayon, alayang pa. Kaya kaya yung tingkan. Kaya, wala na galang kauli.
People waiting when rain stop.
What's that? Fire, fire.
Maybe we stop now live stream,
Yes.
and we continue when rain when rain stop, we will continue because and save battery in my phone. Thank you guys for watching, waiting a new live stream because rain now, and we can continue live stream when stop rain. How to like this?